Hello and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I will show you how to check comments on X. So firstly, let's open X on my phone, and I want to go to whatever post that I want to read comments on, and I want to tap on the empty space right here. Make sure that you do not tap the picture because it will simply open image. You want to tap here at the top, and if you scroll down you will see all the comments that this post has, and also you can sort them by tapping right here, and you can filter by latest, relevant, or likes. Yes, and additionally, if you want to read your comments on X, then you have to tap your profile picture at the top right and go to your profile, and here you can see several tabs such as posts, replies, highlights, etc. And you want to go to replies tab, and here you will see all of your comments. So that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.